Changing language on Motorola phones. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to change your Motorola phone's language step by step. This video focuses on the Moto G9 Plus. Like these kinds of videos, check out other related videos on the channel. Subscribe, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Settings, look for the gear icon. Tap on it. Scroll down. Choose the System option at the bottom. You'll see Languages and other options. Tap on System. Next, tap the first option, Languages and Input. Then tap the first option again, Languages. Tap on it. I already have two languages, English and Portuguese. To add a new language, tap ADD Language. Choose your preferred language. Let's say I pick Spanish. So I've got three languages here on my Motorola phone. Leandro, how do I change the default language? Let's say I choose Portuguese as the default language. What do? You'll click here and drag upwards. Click and hold, don't let go. Move the language you want to the top. It'll automatically change your phone's language. The phone's language has changed now. Same for Spanish. Press the button. Press and hold, don't release. Drag it upwards. It'll make the change here. It's easy to switch languages on a Motorola phone. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care, everyone. God bless you. Thanks.